What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Why is it so hot? Okay. What's up, y'all? It is day 6 here in Bali. Good morning. Today, well, last night, first of all, the massages were amazing. I went straight to sleep after. But anyway, so today the plan, we're going to head out early today at 8 because Jordan has to leave tonight. So we're going to do the waterfall. Kanto Lampo Waterfall, I think it's called. And then after that, we're going to try to do elephants. And that's it. So it's like 7:50. We got 10 minutes. The driver's going to be here. And then we're going to go to the waterfall first. So that's why I have this swimsuit on. I was looking for my shirt. So I saved this swimsuit for the waterfall because I felt like the pattern was giving waterfall. I don't know. If you know, you know. But that's what it was giving. So I just put these shorts on because the shorts are giving elephant sanctuary. Like the shorts are giving, I'm about to go ride an elephant, right? Or no? Maybe I should change. I think it's giving that. I think it's giving that. So I'm going to just take this outfit. Well, maybe I should put this. Anyway, I'll show you guys when we get there. Bye. Waterfall is that way. Okay, come on. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Y'all, look at the line, y'all. This is the line to get pictures taken at the waterfall. And we in line. You know we in line for some cute photos. Everybody show y'all a swimsuit. Leaving the waterfall.
Very nice. Very Photographers on point.
Photographers 8.
You should have said X for him.
It was kind of cold though. Like it's still cloudy. Like the sun really wasn't out like that, so it's a little cold. It was fun though. We got some really cute photos. Really cute photos.
He's posing us.
Now we're about to go eat some lunch, and then Jordan gotta go to the airport, and then we're gonna go to see the elephants. Thank you. Thank you. Good afternoon. What's up, YouTube? It's 1:17 p.m. Okay, so we went to Campo. What's the waterfall? Kanto Lampo. We went to Kanto Lampo Waterfall. We just got back. It was a little cold, but we still got cute pictures. Let me show y'all an example of a cute photo. Okay, QC. Y'all, the tour guys is getting us right. They was telling us what poses to do, telling us which way to turn. They got the angles, they got cute videos, like, and they only work for tips. So just make sure if you go, you leave a really good tip. So we came right down the street to a restaurant to get some food before we head to the elephants. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're ordering floating breakfast in the morning, and other than that, tomorrow is pretty much the last day because we have to leave tomorrow night back to Jakarta so we can get on our flight the following day. But anyway, we're about to eat some food. I ordered chicken and fries, and I got a pineapple smoothie, and I got a bottle of water. This is the restaurant, y'all. Puri Suling. Was it good, Mom?
Very good. It was great.
It was.
Everything.
Now we're about to go do some souvenir shopping and then go to elephants. We be getting a lot of looks, y'all. People love to stare. Like, I get it. We might look a little different, but people have been staring this whole entire trip. Okay. Bye. What's up, YouTube? We made it back to the villa, and now we are about to go see my cute happy birthday Jamie sign. It's in the swimming pool, and then later we're going to do souvenir shopping, massages, and probably just get something to eat. So let's go see what it look like. Kissy, bro, that is so cute. White flowers, yellow flowers, purple flowers. Ooh, this is cute. I feel like it's not a birthday Bali trip if you don't get this done in Bali. So let me know in the comments below if you like it. Oh, look at Mama.
Mom, you should have took that off when you were taking them pictures.
Exactly. She ready.
Inappropriate. Look cute. Do cute stuff.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
I'm finna.
Hype it up, hype it up. That was perfect. I feel like that's finna be war.
What is up, YouTube? It is 7:48 at night, and we are at dinner. We are at Folks Pool. It normally has a swimming pool and a movie theater, in the back for us to watch movies, but it's raining, so that's not really in effect right now. But we just ordered our food. We ordered some slushies, and now we took motorcycles to get here. So everybody had their own motorcycle. It was so cool. I was second, my mom was first, I was second, Emily was third. Who was last? Rivers was last. But it was fun. So I just want to tell y'all about the money. So the ride it was like a 20-minute ride from our house to the restaurant. It was 17,000 rupiah, which is the currency here in Bali, which is in US dollars, it's about $1. So we got a 20-minute ride on a motorcycle, really fun, for $1. Well, no. So it was fun. Definitely recommend getting a scooter ride at least once when you go to Bali, Thailand, or Vietnam. But yeah, of course you leave a tip. So we ended up just giving them the whole 100,000. So we ended up giving them around $10 instead of $1. And they were they're always very grateful. But anyway, we're about to eat, y'all, and then we're gonna go walk, buy souvenirs, and get massages because the street got a lot of stores on it. And then that's it for tonight. Tomorrow, hopefully, we can finally get an animal day in before we go. So. Okay, y'all, it is 10:35 at night, and we just got our massages done at Hannah Spa. It was walking distance from the restaurant we ate at, so not very far. We just got another grab, which is like 3 minutes away. And our massages were an hour long, full body, hot stone for $12. $12.22 to be exact. So this is our third massage of the trip, y'all, because they so cheap. $12 massage, sign me up, thank you. But anyway, Dwight, Retno, Aprilia, Sandy is on the way to come get us. Mama didn't want to ride the scooters back, so we are getting a regular car back. So
Only because it's late.
she said because it's late.
Only because it's late.
She just don't want to get on.
Fun.
She said, I'm still bad. I don't think I'm scared.
I even like the little
You did a car.
Is he for me?
Oh, are you for us? Yeah. Oh,
Honda.
You did a car.
I did do a car.
Oh, that's a Honda.
Okay. No car.
Oh,
Yeah, it's okay. You can tell it.
I get.
So they take us to
Okay, so I accidentally got a motorcycle instead of a car. So I just redid it again for a car this time. So yeah, anyway, that's it for tonight. Tomorrow we're gonna wake up, we got floating breakfast and then animals, and then we gotta get to the airport. So it's pretty much it for tonight. Everybody's tired. Look, they look tired, don't it?